Hello everybody, my name is Yashaswini. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering 5th Sem. So today I am back with another video that is on the subject computer networking. So in computer networking, the topic we are going to discuss is client server programming. So let's see. Introduction to client server programming. Client server programming is a model that divides tasks between service providers called as servers and service requests called as clients. This architecture is the foundational in the network applications and is used in various domains including web services, database and cloud computing. Understanding this model is essential for designing scalable and efficient applications and interact over a network. So it means there will be only a one server which will be having all the sources, all the data and all the information which will be shared among all the different computers or the different devices available. Only one data or only the one data will be shared among different people in the different ways. Next come basic concepts. In the client server architecture, the client sends request to the server, which processes the request and returns the appropriate responses. Client can be desktop application, mobile apps, or web browsers, while services are typically hosted on the powerful machines capable of handling multiple requests. This separations allows for better resources management and the ability to scale both clients and server independence. Next comes type of client server model. There are several types of client server model including one try, two try and three try architecture. One try model includes a single application that handles both client and server functionalities, whose two tries model separates the client and server. Three tries architecture further abstracts the applications to into presentation, application logic and data stored layers, enhance moderately and scalability. So as we see the type of the client server architecture, that is the one try architecture, two try, three try and n try architectures. So communication protocol. Client server communication relies on protocols that define how data is transferred over a network. Common protocols include HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and TCP/IP, each serving different purposes and lives of security. Understanding these protocols is crucial for ensuring reliable data, enhance and maintaining security in client-server interactions. Next comes synchronized versus asynchronization communication. Synchronization communication requires the client to wait for the services responses before proceeding, ensuring order operations. In contact, asynchronization communication allows client to send request and continue processing without waiting for several responses. Each method has its advantages and trade-off influencing application design depending on the user experience and system performance requirements. So as I said you before, one data, one server where all the information is being served to the different communication platform where only one data can be accessed by the many members. Next comes advantages of client-server architecture. Client-server architecture simplifies the management of resources by centralizing data and services on services. It allows for easier maintenance and updates as changes can be made on the server without impacting client application directly. This model also improves security as sensitive data can be stored on services which controlled access rather than an industrial client device. So client server architecture where the server is connected to the internet, the client, the mobile, the laptop, the computer and everything. Disadvantages of client-server architecture. One major disadvantage is the potential for a single point of failure where these services downtime can dispute all client operations. The architecture may also require significant service resources, making it closely for the high traffic application. Network latency can affect performance essentially in the synchronization communication, leading to a delay in our experience. Real world application. Client server programming is widely used in a web application where browsers acts as clients and web servers deliver content. Online banking and e-commerce platforms utilize this model to securely process transformations and maintain use data. Cloud services such as Google Drive and Dropbox rely on client server architecture to provide storage and collaborative tools. So, the future trends. The rise of microservices architecture is changing traditional client server model by breaking application into smaller independent services. Serverless computing is another trend, shifting the responsibilities of server management to cloud provides and allowing developers to focus on code. Has IoT devices client server interacts with evolve to handle increased data and connectivity requirements effectively. So here we are to the conclusion. Client server programming is a crucial pandemic in the software development that enhances connectivity and resource distribution. Mastering this model enables developers to create robot applications that can effectively serve derives user needs. As technology continues to advance, staying information about client server principles will be vital for the future programming inwards. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you.